And here is the final look at the Pioneer theme, brought to you by Dearborn Public Schools for Moodle. And this is the default logged out homepage. You'll see you can upload a logo here. You can include a full screen or a very wide image. It has a custom login, as well as neat little buttons for creating new accounts or forgetting your password. You can click on those and it takes you into the site. It has two columns. On the front page and the dashboard, you can include your own text box. If you don't put anything, nothing shows up. And then here are featured courses. You can determine which ones show up. You could have as many as you want. It's just a comma separated list of course ID numbers, and they will show up here like this. And here are the marketing spots that we just implemented. You'll notice that the link here, you can set the title, you can upload an image, you can add in HTML text, and you can also determine what icon shows up here. So when you go over it, and the link text here. Now it looks great full screen. Or minimized like this. Now, there's also, here is what the default Joomla, if you force users to log in, this is what that login page will look like. I forgot to mention that at the bottom you can upload about 8 or so different links to various social media websites, and those appear at the bottom of every page. So let's log in. If we go to the home page, we'll utilize this. We'll log in. And this is the default behavior for Moodle in 2.9. It goes to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you'll notice that welcome message again. You'll notice that across the top, we have these little custom icons that can take you to various pages, calendar and whatnot. You can add up to 8 of them. You have a search box, and you have the My Courses drop-down menu. This is also the area if you use Moodle's built-in custom menu items. Those appear across the top of the upper image here. Moving below this image, your header image, you have your breadcrumbs, you have your user drop-down. And this is the dashboard page. Let's take a look. If you don't use the dashboard and you use the site homepage as the default, this is what the site homepage would look like. I have search courses and enrolled courses selected for front page options. And as you can see, here's featured courses. But let's take a look at what happens when you actually go into a course. We'll go into the social wall. It pulls in the course image that is found over here under Edit Settings. When you're setting up the course, you put in the name, you put in your summary. If you upload an image, the Pioneer theme will utilize that image as part of the theme. Now, you'll notice, let's go back to the dashboard. We'll go into another course. Here is the image. Now, once you actually go into the course, so you start interacting with some of the activities, that image at the top and the header image shrinks to save you space. And in the theme admin settings, you can determine what these sizes are. So let's take a look. Under the site admin, go to Appearance, Themes, Pioneer, and here are the general settings. So you could adjust the header image padding, in course activities. Here is the default header image, a background image. You can upload a logo, custom CSS. You can do a general alert for logged out users that appears on the homepage. Here is that front page text box that you saw previously. Here is the My Courses drop down, so you can determine what you want to call that. And promoted courses. Enable promoted courses, featured courses. You can set the title, and then here are the comma separated list of courses that you might want to highlight. Now, moving over here to the next page, color options. You can change up the colors quite a bit. We also have a unique, you could use any Google font that you want by simply copying and pasting. More on that later at a later date once we're ready to release this. And the icon navigation. So these are the buttons that appear across the top with the tooltip. So here's the icon, and these are just font awesomes, and the link text, and then you can put in the URL, whether it's internal or at an external site. Here are the marketing spots, so you can pick a background color, you can toggle when and where and how they show up. And here is the title. You can upload an image, you can pick your icon, here's the content, and you can add in link text that appears at the bottom. Okay, so that's how you build these items here. So here is the next page, which is the social icon. You can see we have Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Flickr, LinkedIn, YouTube, Vimeo, Google+. You just put in your links and they magically appear at the bottom right corner of the pages. And last but not least, the Pioneer theme is fully integrated with the Moodle social wall course format. And what this does is gives you some real neat tools to kind of customize the look and feel of that social wall course format. So you can see there's colors, there's some image and tags and stuff, and it's even uses different languages if you choose to. So you can completely customize the social wall experience through the site admin. So this is the Pioneer theme. I have just a couple more things to work out on it, and hopefully we'll be releasing this soon. Thank you for watching.